Hello Dnation and welcome back to another unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the 1999 model Yamaha Majesty YP250DS, and this is a 118 scale licensed scooter diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Welly. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get started. Well, the packaging on this one is a Yamaha affiliated window type boxing manufactured by Welly with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed diecast scooter replica of the Yamaha Majesty YP250DS, which is a 1999 model and a scooter type motorcycle. And this is a premium and well detailed motorcycle replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like its life-size counterpart. And this premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details, and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that make it a premium collectible. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this elegant diecast scooter on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this premium diecast beauty, here are a few fun facts. The Yamaha Majesty is a scooter manufactured by the Yamaha Motor Company. It was introduced to the US market in 2004 after it was introduced in Europe and Asia in 2003. And in the Europe and Asia, this model complements a full Majesty scooter lineup, a 125cc to 400cc. The Yamaha Majesty 400 was sold in the US from 2004 to 2014. This scooter follows a Maxi-Scooter format with a single-cylinder counterbalanced 400cc fuel injection engine with a continuously variable transmission supported by a cast-aluminium frame. This bike's riding posture is between standard and cruiser. Bodywork features included an integrated passenger grab rail, locking underseat storage with a 16-gallon capacity, 2 glove boxes, an LED tail light. Instrumentation includes an analog speedometer and tachometer, LCD multifunction display with fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, ambient temperature gauge, and V-belt. And for further information on the Yamaha Majesty, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale die-cast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this 118 scale Yamaha Majesty die-cast model. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.